How can I help you?
Well, I heard that somebody here goes by the name of Patricia Guthrie. I was adopted, so probably this Patricia lady might be my mother.
Feel comfortable. This is my daughter. My daughter.
You're Patricia?
Jesus.
Mommy?
Me not judge her wrongfully, no. Me not call her thief. Me just ask her one question.
Okay. I'm not say you judge me, but all you talk is like you want to point finger at me and Miss Patricia, me and a thief.
Pastor, if I fat you when they get fat, you wouldn't so bad. Nothing can stay in my yard in a piece. Everything disappear and not tree. Hold on there.
I don't want to judge or get anything. You're sure that it's she?
Aubrey, can I ask you a question? Are you a compulsive liar? Because it's a liar and thief walk together. Once you lie, you're a thief.
That she have a thieving demon inside. And we have to get it out.
I believe that every word that comes out of your tongue is a lie.
See, stop it, man. Thieving is not good. You want Popeye take you and put it on the media, say you're a thief? Eh? You don't look good.
Turn around up, man.
Top thief. Top thief.
Come back up here, son. Come back up here, son.
Top thief.